Hi, this is Dave Adams, and we did a little NYSE tick trading today. Actually, I traded mostly with my other oscillators, but I wanted to show you what the tick was showing. And it was some pretty interesting stuff, really. And it was an interesting day trading, too. Make sure you read the disclaimer carefully. There's some important information there. Well, this is today's chart. This is the 9th. Kind of an interesting day. I don't know. Started out kind of, really sideways. You can see right here. I was pretty content just to hang out on the sidelines and see just what the heck was going on. On this particular chart, I got the commodity channel index running right through the stochastic. This is bar charts. You got a great crossover right here. I took that. I actually exited not at the very pinnacle there, but when this third one failed. So I gave up a point or two there at the end, but it was a nice gain. And then the market, I was kind of the opinion at this point that we're going to be in an uptrend, and but I wasn't really sure. I mean, it was kind of hard to say. Got a big cross, into the downside. I rode that. I exited when this closed outside the Bollinger Bands. There was a little more to get there. I just didn't get it. Really only 3 trades today. Same thing. Had a beautiful cross right here. When this closed outside the Bollinger Bands, I almost exited right here. And I thought, I was in there pretty good already. I thought, well, I just let it go a little more. When it closed these 2 times right below there, I thought I'd push my luck far enough, and I got out. I didn't get all the way down to the very bottom, but it was about halfway up. Those are the only trades. It did retrace a little bit and go back down. I didn't participate in that, and it was a real profitable trading. Very few trades. It wasn't very hard. It wasn't a day that really tested your skills. It really tested your patience more than anything. But all in all, it was a pretty challenging day, I guess, in terms of holding off trading and getting out while you were in the money. And sometimes that's harder than deciding when to trade. So, all in all, I was pretty happy with it. I thought I'd show you a little bit. Tops NYSE tick. There's a plus 1,000. And you can see, right, they're a little offset. Just I had to line the times up together. I know they're a little blurry, but I wanted to reduce them so I could get them on the page. You can see this was a good fade. This is a good call here on this fade. And once it started down, I think it was pretty safe to say I wanted to ignore all the long stuff out there. There was some fairly unreliable stuff early on. That was kind of in the pre-session hours. And then right at the opening. So, and really, I don't like using the tick until the market's really settled into, whatever it's going to do for the day. And really, the only good signals were right here. Hit it a few more times. These are all shorts. All fades off the plus 1,000. And once we got into a downtrend, of course, we just went ahead and ignored all the long stuff. I surely wouldn't take it. It was the main reason I didn't bother taking this trade right here, even though there was a good signal to take it. It gives you a little. I just wanted to show you what the ticks were doing. I had one good entry signal, and then a bunch of confirmations later on in that downtrend. And then, of course, since I'm a trend trader, no matter what it says, if it's in a downtrend, I'm probably not going to take a long trade. I hope that helps. Well, as you can see, the tick can give you all kinds of interesting information. And on some days, it's absolutely wonderful. Again, I'd like to invite you to our site. It's at learntotradeandinvest.com with a whole bunch of hyphens in it. Love for you to visit our site. Our trading programs are really designed to educate, beginning traders. And if you're an intermediate state trader and struggling a little bit, I think you'll find our technique works really well. It's the exact same technique that I trade and have traded for the last several years. It works real well for home traders. I hope that helps, and have a great night.